Tuesday morning, July 2nd. Here's the Astro Excel sheet for the month of July. See, we've got some big moves coming up this month. Here's the tab, July 2024 monthly on the upper left. So today here on the 2nd, we're going to peak out, then the line's going to drop down to below the -10 level into the 5th, and then early morning of the 5th, about the time the day session starts, it's going to jump back up for the day on Friday. Pushing down over the weekend, then as we move into next week, on the 7th, it starts to push up, and we get a pretty strong move up till it peaks out here at the +20 line, and that'll be on the 10th at around 1600. Then we get a good push down into the 12th, bouncing around at a low area there till the end of the 12th. Then we're going to move up to the 0 line. That peaks out on the 14th at about 8 a.m. and then that drops to the 15th at midnight. Then we're down at about the -15 area. Then we push up and peak out on the 16th at 1600. Then a push down for 24 hours to the 17th. Then an upward move to the 18th to this high peak at +35 on the 19th at 3 a.m. Now in this whole area we're in positive bullish territory. Then we're coming down to the 20th. That bottoms out at midnight, and then again at about 8 a.m. And then we're pushing up to take out that prior peak almost to the 38 area, and that's going to be on the 22nd at 8 a.m. Then we push down to the 23rd, get a bounce up into the 24th at 8 a.m. Then it goes down pretty hard to the -20 line on the 26th, where that bottoms at 1600 on the 26th. And then we're pushing up strongly into the 30th here on 31st at 5 a.m. and then down pressure on the last day. We also have a couple of really significant moon spikes in here that are getting out and pushing to the 30 line up here on this high. This is on the 14th at 2300. And then we've got two to the downside that hit the -20 line, the 18th at 2300, and then on the 19th at 2200. So those are all kind of in quiet trading time, so I'm not sure how much impact those will have. Anyhow, there's the 40,000 foot view of the pattern for the month ahead. We've got some pretty strong moves coming up.